Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20B, question number 17. A floor which measures 15 meter into 8 meter. What does this mean? This means this is the length and this is the breadth. Is to be laid with tile measuring 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So what is the dimension of the tile? 50 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Find the number of tiles required. This is one part. The other part is further if a carpet is laid on the floor so that a space of 1 meter exists between its edges and the edge of the floor, what fraction of the floor is left uncovered? So first we will do the first portion. Let's do the first part. Now there is a floor which measures 15:8. Now it has to be covered with tiles. That means laid with tiles. That means how many tiles will it require? We have to find that. So that what is the concept behind it? Area of floor जो होगा that has to be equal to area of total tiles. Find total number of tiles. If you are taking 10 tiles, then area of those 10 tiles. Now first we will find area of one tile. What will be the area of one tile? This is 50 centimeter. So we will change 50 centimeter into 25 centimeter. This is area of the tile, length into breadth of the tile. So 50 centimeter we will change into meter because the floor measurement is given in meter. 50 centimeter is 0.5 meter and 25 is 0.25 meter. Right? Now this is area of one tile. Let the number of tiles be number of tiles be n. Fine. So total area of all the tiles will be n into 0.5 into 0.25. That is 0.125. This together is 0.125 meter square. This is the total area of all the tiles. What is area of floor? Area of floor is 15 into 8. Fine. 15 into 8 is 120 meters square. So this we have seen area of floor is equal to area of total tiles. So that means 120 is equal to n into 0.125. So what is n? N is 120 divided by 0.125. Now when you remove this decimal, there are 3 places. So you multiply the up quantity with 3. So this is n is 120 into 1000 divided by 125. This will, you will cut and all. So this will come as 960 tiles. So what is the number of tiles required? 960. Now directly what you can do, what some people do, number of tiles is equal to total area to be covered by area of one tile. Why we do so? This is the reason why we do so. You can directly put the formula and do it. Fine. Now the second one, second portion. Further, if a carpet is laid on the floor, this is the floor and you have to carpet it, means put the carpet in it, leaving so that a space of 1 meter exists between its edges and the edge of the floor. It means the carpet edge. This you are putting the carpet on the floor. This is the edge of the floor and this is the edge of the, this is the edge of the floor and this is the edge of the carpet. So how much space you have to leave between the edge of the floor and the edge of the carpet? 1 meter. All the side you have to leave 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Right? Now you have to find what fraction of the floor is left uncovered. Means this fraction you have to find which is not covered. That means for that what you will do? You will first find the area of the carpet. Area of the floor we know from the first portion. Area of the floor is 120 meter square, we have calculated. So area of the carpet we have to find. What is the length of the carpet? I'll write here. Length of the carpet. This is area of the floor. Area of the floor was 15 by 8. This is 15. This is 8. Right? So length of the carpet will be 15 minus 1 from here, minus 1 from here. That means 15 minus 2, that is 13 meter. And what is the breadth of the carpet? Breadth of the carpet, again same logic, 8 minus 1 minus 1, 8 minus 2, 6. So what will be the area of the carpet? Therefore area of the carpet, length into breadth, that is 13 into 6. Fine. This will become 78 meters square. 13 into 6 is 78 meters square. Now we will find out uncovered area. Area which is not covered, or uncovered area which is not covered. So how much area is not covered? Total area of the floor is 120, and by carpet 78 is covered. So 120 minus 78, that is 42 meters square. Fine, this is area not covered. And what we have to find? What fraction of the floor is left uncovered? We have to find the fraction, right? We have to not find what area is left covered, but what fraction is uncovered. So what will be the required fraction? You can write here required fraction. Required fraction will be uncovered area by total area, right? Uncovered area is 42 and total area is your 120. Fine. So this will become your 6 7s are 42 and 20. So what is the required fraction? 7 by 22. As it is a fraction, it will have no unit.